cannot believe it. It's actually the 31st of December. And I just got off work about 20-30 minutes ago. I'm now headed home. I'm currently walking through the city, trying to make my way back home right now. I'm going to catch a bus in a little bit, and I just thought I would start recording. I'm using a GoPro right now. Usually I am able to keep the camera in view just so I don't mess up on the angles, but right now, as soon as I hit record, I cannot keep track of the preview. So I don't know if the camera is exactly aligned right now, so if the camera is slightly slanting, then I suppose I'll never know. I'll never know until during editing. But anyway, this is Not.So.Burundian here, and I just thought that you guys would maybe enjoy a little walk around the city of Bujumbura as I am headed home today. Let's cross this dangerous road. I'm surprised actually that it's a busy street today. It's usually not this busy when you're on a Saturday and a New Year's Eve. Or company, Bonauto. I was completely worn out after work, but as soon as I started walking, I'm suddenly not worn out anymore. It's going to take forever to get rid of this sand here. But yeah. And yeah, it's been a while, man. I haven't been uploading as regularly as I usually do. And that's mostly because I just recently started working and it's been hard getting on a bicycle, finding time to cycle around and do what I usually do. But you know, I'm trying to get my groove back together, so sooner or later I'll figure that part out. Yeah. This is the end of 2022, making our way into 2023. Let me check the camera angle in just a little bit. Swear to God, I probably look really stupid right now. Because when I'm doing the clicks, I use the clicks so I can be able to edit so I can be able to synchronize the footage later during editing. But when I do that here, right in the middle of the street, but anyway, who cares? So it's been really hard finding time to post on the channel because, you know, of work but like I said, I'm trying to get my groove back together, and then we'll figure out how that goes. In the meantime, I hope you guys get to enjoy this view. I'm gonna call it the POV, first person view, like just in gaming. It's almost 4 p.m., 7 minutes to 4. The city's about to close because it's a new year. But yeah, it's cool though. The streets are super cramped. So I don't know, man. I am slightly losing interest in living in Burundi. And I don't mean that in a negative way whatsoever. I'm just losing interest in the sense that Burundi is, I don't know, I'm a creative person. I love playing with machines and machinery. I just love the process of building, breaking down things and building new stuff. And the inability of finding stuff to do or enough equipment and machinery to play with here in Burundi is the reason why I am losing interest in living in Burundi. It's not easy. It's not a country that is easy for somebody to live in, especially when you are a loner. It's not easy living in Burundi if you are a loner, if you are not a person who is socially inclined to be around people at all times. I do not derive pleasure from the people that I spend time with. Rather, I derive pleasure from the toys that I play with. The more the toys, the more happier I am. And Burundi is not the place to enjoy your time like that. Oh gosh, I really hope I still have the camera angle right. But just to make sure, let me check it again. Yeah, the camera angle is still doing fine, but then no, I'm almost about to take a taxi in a little bit. That's if I don't find any buses in the city. But I am done. So I don't know. I hope everyone is having a good year. I hope everybody is, I'm hoping that all my subscribers are going to make it into the new year. I pray that you do. I don't know, there's just so much going on, so many plans, so much to do. And I am stuck in Burundi and still trying to make the most of it. But I'm super grateful to everybody who's stayed on the channel so far. 4,000 subscribers from just simply uploading, that's amazing. I didn't think I'd get this far to begin with, but here we are. 4,000 subscribers. Now let's see if I'm gonna be able to make it past this area without being stopped by police, because people frown upon recording a lot. But then again, it doesn't look like I am traditionally recording though. It's that first person POV. And I don't have my ID with me today. I left it at home, so if I was to be arrested right now, I'd be in jail until Monday. Good God have mercy. Yeah, getting caught without ID is a crime out here. A crime that is punishable by jail time. If you go to jail on a Friday, it's actually Saturday, and it's not a working day. You cannot be bailed out on the weekend. You'd have to wait until Monday. Oh, by the way, you guys let me know if this is something that you would like for me to do more often. As to whether or not this camera angle is interesting for you guys. I will be stopping the recording soon. Hopefully, those of you that know Bujumbura have recognized the area. I'm about to reach a place called Palais des Arts, up ahead, I think, and then take a right towards the buses heading to Kamenge and call it a day. See, this is the reason why I hate making videos, why I never thought that making videos while walking was a good idea. So much time passes and you cover very little time. I've been walking for about 4 minutes and it feels like I'm still in the same place. It almost feels like I haven't moved an inch. But yeah, we good though now. And I'm holding my phone in my hands, pretending like I am making a voice note. That way it looks like I'm talking to the phone. But anyway, if anybody's interested to know as to how I'm able to do what I'm doing right now, I basically have the GoPro on a selfie stick, and the selfie stick is resting on my shoulder at the moment. That's how I'm able to get a over-the-head view, over-the-head recording shot, that is. All right, let's see if I can make it to the buses. If I am able to make it to the buses without being stopped by police, then I would have made a day. Boy. I didn't think the streets would be this busy though. I mean, we're almost done and yeah. I was thinking everybody would be home today, just resting. But then again, I did show up to work to begin with, so I don't know why I'd be expecting that I'd be the only one working today. Yeah. So that's the first man in blue that I am walking past without being recognized. Now let's see if I can make it to the buses without being recognized. Hello. Let's see if I can make it to the buses without being recognized again. That's 6 minutes to go. I don't think anybody's ever really captured a shot of this area, specifically this place. I might just be the first person to record a shot of Bujumbura market area. Yeah. Now that's another man in blue that I get to walk across without being recognized. Now let's see if I can make it to the buses. I am risking my freedom just to make a video, which is crazy. Yeah, I'm pretending like I'm making a video or an audio right now. So I guess that's the reason why I haven't been detected so far, but maybe make it to the Kamenge buses and then call it a day from there. Same time, I really don't think the mic is picking up my voices. But I trust DGI though. I think the buses to Kamenge would be right here. Any coming? All right, let me get in the buses. I'll see you guys next time.